Hi there. We are going to read this story, Toss, Kick, Hop. Now, we're going to read this story like out loud and you're going to help me. So when I put my mouse to the side of the word, I'm going to say think. And then when I put my cursor underneath the word and you see the circle, that means I want you to read the word out loud. Okay? So let's practice. Think, read. Good. So hopefully you said toss, kick, and hop as we went through. So I'm going to read the sentence. Toss, kick, hop, and then think, read. You say toss, you say kick, you say hop. Let's do the next page. Kids play together. Your turn. Think, read. Good. Kids play together. Wonderful job. My turn. Kids zip, zip, zip. Your turn. Think, read. Good. Next page. My turn. Kids toss, toss, toss. Your turn. Think, read. Wonderful job. My turn. Kids kick, kick, kick. 2. Your turn. Read. Great job. My turn. Kids make block houses. Your turn. Think, read. Good. Kids make block houses. That was a tricky one. My turn. Kids make dolls. Your turn. Think, read. Wonderful. My turn. Kids hop in sacks. Your turn. Think, read. Good. Kids hop in sacks. It's like potato sacks. My turn. Hop, hop, flop. Because you fell. Flop, flop. Your turn. Think, read. Good. Hop, hop, flop. My turn. They have fun. Your turn. Think, read. Good. They have fun. Look how much fun they're having. Look at their big smiles. What a wonderful picture. Awesome job.